Hey guys, I'm Isum here again. Today we are going to do this easy turmeric face mask. I've been using it for a while now to brighten my skin and give my skin a natural glow. So let's dive right into it. So we are basically using two ingredients, turmeric and milk. We'll mix the turmeric and the milk together in this baby cup. Right. It's ready. We apply on our face. Alright, so you keep this mask on for about 30 minutes. You could keep it for 15 minutes, but I like keeping it for 30 minutes, and then you wash it off. Guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, comment and subscribe.